Hello everyone, I am Vidya Sagar, lecturer in computer science. In this video, I am going to teach you how you can create a program on your timetable using the tables concept in HTML. Let's start the program. I am opening Notepad, opening the HTML tag and body tag, and at the same time I am closing also. I'm just closing the body tag and closing the HTML tag, and just push this down. Okay, done. Yeah. So see, there should be, first of all, you have to, dear students, you have to draw the timetable, or you should have a timetable picture with you, so that based upon the targeted timetable appearance you can start developing the code. So I have this code. So this is one of the timetable which I have. So I wanted to develop a timetable like this. Okay, so you must and should have an image of the timetable with you. So according to the timetable, then you can develop the program. Okay, so the first thing is, you can see in this image here the word timetable is there. It's in the middle of the web page and it is appearing in the bold manner, right? So I will also do the same thing. So first thing is, I will use the center tag and I will use the center tag, and then I will use the bold tag, and then I will write a timetable. Okay, and then afterwards I will close the bold tag and the center tag. Okay, and just save the program. So always save the program. So tab.html, I'm saving it on my desktop, and at the same time I would like to display the output to you. Right, you can see, so timetable. So yeah, so according to my requirement, yes, whatever I want, in that way it's coming till now. Very good. So next is what? So next, in the next line, table is starting. So I'll use a break tag here. So use one break tag, right? And then next you have to start the table. Now table. So dear students, table tag is there. So table tag I am taking. So in the table, if you notice, a table opening is there. Table, you close the table as well. Okay, so before you close the body, I am closing the table tag also. So now I need not to worry to close the table tag, right? So table, only one table. It's a one big table, right? So one table tag I have taken. And dear students, if you notice, see, everything is a row here. This is one row, this is one row, this is one row. So everything is a row. So inside the row, so if you start entering into the first row, then this is one data, this is one data, this is one data. I mean, in every cell there is a data. So first what you have to do is, you have to step into the row 1, then you start defining the row. See, we always, in tables, we always fill row wise information only, not column wise information. So first step into the first row, fill the data, then next close this row, next again open the second row, fill the row, fill the data, and then close this row and move to the next row. So this is how we do. So what is the first, we have to move into the row. So first row, so tr, table row. Okay, so first row I started, right? So in the first row, what I have to display, this is first data, right? Day or time. Okay, so that is the first data. So td is a tag. See, you are entering into the table, you are entering into first row, now you are entering the first data. So how many TDs you create, that many columns you are creating. That is the meaning here, right? So what is that first one? Day or time. Okay, so TD, you close the TD, right? Okay, next you have what another data is there? 8:30 to 9:15. So TD. Okay, so 8:30 to 9:15. Okay, so like this we have to fill all the data, all these things. So total how many are there? 1, 2. Okay, let me fill this. Okay, and this is 9:15 to 10. Next is 10 to 10:45. Yeah, 10 to 10:45. Okay, so first of all, I will close this here. I will close this row. So just imagine. Okay, so first of all, let me explain you till here. This is one row. In one row, how many columns are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 TDs are there. It means 4 columns in this row, right? So save the program and see the output. How the output will appear to you. So this how the so the output. Did you notice here? The output is not appearing like a table, dear students. Because see, table you should produce some border. Border is equal to, at least you have to give 1. So if you give border is a 1, so then what will happen? You will see able to see the border. Okay, it looks like a border. It looks like a table now. Okay, next you see here what is there? Next 10:45 to 11, right? So 10:45 to 11, that is next data. Next 10:45 to 11. Next is 10:45 to 11. Next 11 to 11:45. Close this TD. Next one more TD. It is next 11:45 to 12:30. Close the TD. And finally 12:30 to 1:15. TD. 12:30 to 1:15. Close this TD also. We have to close whatever you open here, whatever the tag you are opening, you have to close it. Okay, don't forget to close. Right, so that's it. This is one row is completed. One row is completed, and let me show you how that row looks. This is how. And do you notice here the table is not coming in the middle because you closed the table center tag. Don't close it. So center tag, you close it before. After the table here, yes. Okay, so now the entire table will come in the middle. So okay, good. So first row is perfect, and next you take the second row. So you have to come to the second row after 1:15. You have to come to the second row. So after 1:15, so close this row and start the new row. Okay, start the TR. Okay, new row. So you are about to define your new row, right? So close this TR now only before you forget, and start defining the data. So TD, what is the first data? Monday. You might be getting bored because it's a lengthy video. Dear students, this is a practical program and very important for theory exam, final theory exam. Very important. Tables concept if they ask. So if you write this program and if you can explain the tags, so you will get more and more marks. Okay, so this is very important theory essay type answer for BSc students, and for BCom students also this is very important for learning point of view also. This is very important. Okay, so yeah, let's close this one TD. Next, what is there? S8. So for students, I think that is a statistics paper S8. Close the TD tag. Right, well and good. Going good. Next M7 and C7 are there. Next M7. Okay, I'm sorry. TD I have to write. TD and M7. Next close the TD tag. Next C7 is there. TD and C7. Close the TD tag. Okay, so always remember, so please try to maintain the programming style also. Okay, so it's not like you have to develop only the program, your job is done. So give the good appearance to the program, maintain some style to the program. next TD. Next to TD, what is there? The word break is there. After C7, break is there. So write the word break and close this TD. But dear students, did you notice here? This break word is occupying how many rows here? So you see here, so it is coming in this row and occupying another rows also. This row, this word only occupying this row at this position. This is only occupying, the word break is occupying. So how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is occupying how many times? So the break word is occupying. So how 5 times, right? So what you need to do? Row span, okay, because it has to occupy how many? Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times. So you have to use a attribute called row span, which you have to apply to that particular TD table data, TD tag. Row span is equal to 5. Okay, where you have to apply? I'm sorry. So we have to apply this to break. Wherever that word break is there, you have to apply there, right? So row span is equal to break. Okay. So the word break will come there, right? Next, next what is there? So S7. Next to TD is S7 and close the TD tag. I'm sorry, I forgot to close it properly. Yeah, close it here. Next TD is what? Next TD is C8 and M8. Okay, C8 and close this TD. Next TD and next close the TD tag here. Yeah, TD here also closing. Okay, and after this row is closed. So here S8, M7, C7 will come, and after that the word break is coming, and next the other subjects. Okay, let's just save the program and see the output here. So the word break is coming, right? Okay, good. So now let us enter the information about the next day. So next day you see here Tuesday is there and the subjects are same almost. Okay, so wantedly just to demonstrate I just gave this some timetable here. Yeah, so next open the TR. So that row is completed. You are about to enter into the next row, right? So this row you have to enter. So that row has been closed. So row is closed and you are entering into the new row. Right, next TD. Next what is it? Tuesday. Right, very simple. You have to be with patience to listen to the programs. Okay, so you see here S8, M7, C7, S8, M7, C7. So what I will do, I will just copy this code and paste it here. Yeah. So after this, see dear students, after this C7, you need not to write break again because the word break already occupied these boxes, these cells. Already occupied, so no need to write again because you have used the word row span. So rows has been occupied with that word break. So just you need to focus on the other data S7, C8 and M8 because it is repeating in the previous day. I will just copy this part. Okay, so please understand already row span part is finished. You need not to write again row span. Don't worry about the break part because it's already occupying 5 rows of data. So this row is finished, no? So then, alright. So close this row and just check the output, how the output looks. Yes. See, don't worry about the break. Automatically, the word will come there. The break word will come there. So next you go for next day. So I am just copying the code. So, but you have to write your timetable, your college class timetable you have to write. I'll just change the day here, Wednesday. So rest all is same, right? I mean, if the so if the subjects are same, then I can just copy and paste. So that's what I am doing here. And you see here, so break word is automatically coming. No need to worry at all, right? So next, let me do it for Wednesday, next Thursday, yes, and for Friday also. save the program. See, done. I think the program, now we got the table structure, right? Okay, so now make some little changes here. See, the break word is exactly in the middle, and every time B iske baad, next R is coming, iske baad E is coming. Okay, one after other it is coming. So one after other, if you want, and the word has to be in the middle. So what you need to do is just put this word in the center tag. Simple. It's very, very simple. Within the within the center tag, if you keep the word break, so what will happen? See here, the word break is coming in the middle, and see, it's not as in the image. It's not coming as bold appearance and not taking the new lines. So for that, what you can do is just use the bold tag and close the bold tag here, and every word has to come in a new line. So new line means you know very well. So simply use the BR tag. BR. Okay, next. I mean, after every alphabet, I am just using the BR tag. Okay, and see here, and here. Right. So, however I want, I am getting the data in that way. Well and good. And the next thing is, did you notice? See the output part here. This table. See, this is all data. This is actually the data, this part. So this is the heading, right? So this is, even though this is a row, but this is a heading, dear students. Yes, I agree, this is a row of information, and we are keeping that in the TD tag. Okay, TD, but it's not data. It should act like a heading. So just use the H here. Okay, instead of D, just use H. So TH stands for table heading, TD stands for table data. Okay, so what will happen, sir, if you are using the TH tag? What will happen? So it looks like a heading of the table. So what will be the change, sir? It looks like a little bit bold manner. Okay, so ready to see the change here? Yes, done. And similarly for the word Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday also, if you want it to be a little bit like a heading, or use the either a tag called TH or B. B means bold. So actually TH is giving the bold appearance, right? So for Monday, if you wanted to give like this a bold, so you have to use the one extra tag called the bold tag here. Okay, so close this bold. So now Monday is written within the B tag, right? Bold tag. So it appears like this. So if you don't want to use one more tag, so simply what you can do, just so instead of TD you can use TH also. TH. Okay, just save the program. Sorry. Save the program and reload the page. So it's TH. And did you notice when you are using bold tag, so it is not coming in the middle, but when you are using TH tag, it is coming in the middle of the cell, middle to the cell, right? Okay, so I think I have given enough insights to develop the HTML program, HTML timetable program. Yeah, so that's all about this. So if you have any doubts, you can please reflect back to me with the comments. Thank you all of you. Have a great day. Thank you.